peux enlever ça. Oui. Pew.
Pew.
We are making mixed of vegetables, legumes and cereals. So we bought some vegetables, legumes and cereals from the bio grocery store, basically, called La Vie Claire, which is fairly nice. And we are gonna mix everything up in this big bowl, and it will look kind of like this. So this is our fridge. It's not blood everywhere. Actually, it's beet juice, because beet juice gets everywhere. Look at that. It's close, you see. But condensation with beet juice equal red condensation. I don't know how it's possible, but our fridge suffers.
Yes.
So basically, we did a mix like that, and it's really nice. It's big variety, and it's healthy, and they like it. They took some use to it. It's actually the mix from Bird Tricks, exactly. It's a channel around how to get a good relationship with your birds. And we bought some courses and books about bird lecture and bird food and how to make better bird food, because I used to have some issue with my bird health with like food but at like pet shops, so I started doing everything by myself now. And I also have some mixed dried grains for the mixed up with some stuff like quinoa, millet, sorgho, blé. Yeah, I know only the French name, I'm sorry, but nice. This is our like bird. You don't want to. This is our bird compartment for the food, and actually, this reserve is kind of also bird stuff, but we also use them because it's cereal, so it's good. Like either way, like rice and couscous, much good.
Will they understand that they need to go inside of the bowl, or will they just try to eat them? Okay, so I'm a bit worried because this is already being
So we
filled
bought
up.
this huge pot for confiture, no jam.
Jam, yes.
Jam, and we use it to store our to mix our legumes. As I understand, go inside.
It's not even a clean box, like it's pretty clear, and I'm used to feeding them.
Vegetables and cereal mix for birds.
It's like at least twice as big as this,
Yeah.
which is
in
our
those
biggest
stands
part.
are cooking the cereals, so it's big. And we were supposed to mix everything in this
Yes,
kind of tiny, huge pot.
And after the cereals, there are also like
Squash.
Yes, a lot of.
A butternut squash and squash. No.
But yes, you sure it's gonna fit?
Lots of stuff.
Are you sure it's gonna fit
No,
inside?
I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Here is a quick update of what it looks like right now. I'm currently cutting a whole cauliflower and mixing it up so we can add it directly. And you will see that once we start to mix things up, because there is this inside.
Yeah, the beets. It will all turn red, like
blood.
yeah,
Which look.
like the fridge.
Yes. So now it's a bit of torture for us because we didn't eat today, and we have our senses that are heightened. So basically, we smell better, and they smell really good. And there was a lot of food, and
Look at the steam. So much steam. Look at that. So we finished with the legumes and the vegetables, and we're adding. Oh no, we still have the courge, the squash that came out of the oven that we need to add and to blend first. And I'm finishing to add the cooked cereals. Those two need to cook for another 20 minutes. But this one is done.
And once it's done, we basically just stir everything so that nothing is in big patch and the whole mix is balanced. And afterwards, it's into the freezer.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm going to help. Okay. Come on. Okay, that's good. That's great.
Yeah, better.
Could you kindly let go of my finger, please? I need it. And you don't need it to feed yourself.
Don't the time.
Please. My finger. Can you see the issue of having too many stuff inside of the pots now?
Yes.
And again, they are supposed to be like 2 whole new legumes you had.
Vegetables and legumes.
Vegetables.
The meat is so dense. Look at that. It looks like a cake. So basically, I'm trying to dig holes to take the stuff below, put it up, and put the stuff up below. I'm not sure it works. A little bit. Slowly.
Oh well. That work as well, I guess. Ah yes, I did. Hello. We didn't do the stuff we were grateful for last night, so I wanted it to do it now. I'm grateful because we got to do a night out playing board games with friends, and this was very nice. We played with Unicorn.
Oh yes. I'm grateful because I won the first round.
And something we have in common that we're grateful for.
We went to our friend's house last night and we got to drink. We bought 4 liters of beers in 4 cans of 1 liter. So it's nice.
And the design were nice. And